Challenge ourselves to think beyond the immediate.
Demands scalable, adaptable, and inclusive solutions.
Stakeholders urge Nigeria to leverage artificial intelligence for inclusive educational system powered by innovation. Welcome back. Nigeria will have to step up efforts at leveraging artificial intelligence for inclusive educational systems powered by innovation to foster lasting peace and shared prosperity. This was the thrust of conversations at the 2025 World Education Day Conference in Abuja. Tokbe Alabi reports.
Stakeholders are at this year's World Education Day Conference to discuss the theme Learning for Lasting Peace, Educational Equity through Artificial Intelligence, AI, Tools for Advancing Education in Underserved Areas.
Equipping our youth and women with tools, training, and opportunities to participate in AI development. We not only ensure inclusivity, but also maximize the potential of our greatest asset, our people.
Bridging the divide and achieving educational equity requires us to think beyond traditional classrooms and curricula. It demands scalable, adaptable, and inclusive solutions.
Government, educators, private sector leaders, policymakers, development partners must work together to ensure that AI is deployed ethically and inclusively.
For the convener, the conference is to leverage the immense potential of AI to ensure every child, regardless of where they are born or live, have access to quality education and the opportunity to thrive.
So as we engage in these conversations, let us challenge ourselves to think beyond the immediate towards solutions that are inclusive, sustainable, and grounded in the principles of fairness and justice. The ultimate question before us is this: how can we leverage the immense potential of AI to ensure that every child have access to quality education? I am confident that the collective wisdom in this room will not only inspire, but also ignite meaningful action. And together, let us envision a future where education powered by innovation becomes the cornerstone of lasting peace and shared prosperity.
The dialogue, however, examines strategies for integrating AI responsibly and ethically into the education systems.
My take specifically is understanding the caveats that while AI has so much potential, if we do not apply ethical principles, it will be a problem to us.
In this case, we're not talking about inclusion from the perspective of gender, right? But then inclusion from the perspective of ensuring that no one is left behind.
But to drive sustainability, other big players like the government, venture capitalists, and all of this, we need to come in.
We need some kind of buy-in from our government to really just help these organizations to have an environment that will enable them to implement these projects.
There are limitations to where dictionaries can take me, but with AI, I can search for little words to get my resources.
Like using tools like ChatGPT, Meta AI, and the rest. If this AI was not there, it would have been difficult for me to actually solve a problem.
I want to use AI, and also I personally want to impact on the nation with the use of AI.
This conference has been very enlightening for me because it's teaching me that it's not just my books and my pen.
It can transform Nigeria's education system into maybe being one of the best in the world.
Conversations at this Womenovate platform believe leveraging AI potentials in education can bridge divides, customize learning experiences, and extend opportunities to the country's farthest corners. In Abuja, Tokbe Alabi, NTA News.